So I've got my curry just bubbling away now. And first of all, get a piece of charcoal. Don't use coal, so this is natural wood charcoal. And I just stick it onto the direct flame and I leave it until it's nice and red. So you can do this outdoors if you want, but I just turn it. The 2 spoons. So once you've got the curry you want to smoke, you just simply get a metal bowl. You place in your hot charcoal, then you can put a little bit of seasoned oil, a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, whatever, onto it, like so, and then you simply put a quite tight fitting lid on and you leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how smoky you want it. The longer you leave it, the more smoky. So all the smoke gets trapped in there and infuses your dish with a wonderful barbecue taste. Thanks for watching.